Hello everyone, you are watching RDS Goa's News Bulletin with me Shahin Bepari. To begin with, let's take a look on the headlines. Court gives 12 days judicial custody to Tarun Tejpal. If all the Congress leaders come together and work, then Congress party can be elected at the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, Alex Reginald. Basic education should be in Konkani language, Vinanti Kesar Kalangutkar. And GIDC acquisition process should be stopped immediately by Panganim residents. Now the news in detail. The court has given 12-day judicial custody to Tarun Tejpal, the accused in allegedly sexual assault case. Last week, the court's decision of 6 days remand was extended for more 4 days. After 4 days remand ended, the court have given 12 more days judicial custody to him. RDX Bureau Report. After Congress party getting defeated in 4 states, it will be an eye-opener for the Congress party in the state. Therefore, Congress leaders should make changes in themselves or should be seated at home, said Congress spokesperson Alex Reginald. If all the Congress leaders come together and work, then Congress can be elected at the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, he added. When inquired about this to Fatola MLA Vijay Sardesai, he said that people are fed up with BJP and Congress party. Therefore, Aam Aadmi Party is being elected by 28 seats at Delhi. Sanjay Munoli reports from RDX Goa.
Leadership in Goa, I cannot say what they think, but as far as I am concerned, I am very clear about it that no setback is a setback till such time. You get your acts together, put your wisdom together and make a disadvantage into an advantage. I think it is nice that the party has got this defeat also, because this was the only solution to the problem what the party had. If you look in Goa, what is happening in Goa? For the past 2 years we have been having the same leadership. There is no changes. So all these things are eye-opener to the party to change or go home. Now, I feel that we have still got good people in the party who can put the act together and get the party going. 2014 is not far away and 2014 is not far reach for the Congress. I think what has happened is good. If we put our acts together, we can certainly do a very good job at 2014, and I can proudly say that if the act is put in the right dimension, we can even, after losing 4 states, win 2014. Ruling party wants, they make somebody from the opposition make a noise to remove somebody. Even this could be, we could fall into that trap. I am not demanding that he should be removed. I am demanding what you used to do when you were in the opposition. Do it now and show your courage, show what a person you are, and don't do this double-faced acts of yours.
The Congress is having a very outdated outlook. Whatever happened in Goa, they have replicated it in Delhi. In other words, the route that was there in Goa, this route has got replicated in Delhi. But people like us who got elected on a non-Congress, non-BJP vote bank, people who are tired of the communal politics of the BJP and the corrupt politics of the Congress, voted for third alternative. In Goa, they voted for independents like us. In Delhi, a new entity called the Aam Aadmi Party has come into birth. Now, I feel that this is a welcome trend. It is a trend in which a viable secular alternative is being seen by the people of the country, especially by the educated people. So in a city-state like Goa, this can have relevance. But I also believe that this name Aam Aadmi, Digambar Kamath made it very famous, and it became a joke. So I don't think that name can click here. What is required here is a party of our own, of Goenkars, with a Goan manifesto and with a high command in Goa. Whatever that Goa has been suffering now is because of the politics of the high command, which is not connected to the roots.
Government should try to solve the issue of giving the basic education in Konkani language, said Vinanti Kesar Kalangudkar. Through Konkani conference, all the different language teachers got a chance to come together, said Purnanand Chari. First Teachers Conference was inaugurated on Wednesday. This conference was organized in collaboration with Goa Konkani Academy State Language Department and Education Department, Goa. Gautam Shirodkar reports for RDX Goa.
भास कोंकणी भास मधुर मोवाळ भास आज संवसारीक पावंड्याचेर राष्ट्रीय शिक्षण मोठे क्रांतीक बदल घेवन येत आसा आणि गोंयची मायभास आनी राजभास हे दोन्ही नात्यान आज कोंकणी शिक्षणा कडेन नदर दिवपाची आमकां गरज आसा आणि कोंकणी विद्यार्थी आज विद्यार्थी जाल्लो आसा बाकीच्या विशयां कडल्यान तो फुडें वचून कोंकणी विशयान तो कमी पडचो न्ही हे जाल्यार विद्यार्थ्यांच्या बाबतीन शिक्षकांच्या कोंकणी शिक्षणाच्या बाबतीनूय अशें आसा की खूब वर्सां जालीं आमची पाठ्यपुस्तकां अजून बदललेली ना आमची जाय तशी प्रशिक्षणां ना आमचे कोंकणी शिक्षक परमनंट बेसीसचेर कायम जायनात हे कॉलेज आनी विद्यापीठ लेवलाचेर सुद्दां आसा आणि हे सगळे मतीन धरून हो शिक्षणीक बदल कोंकणी शिक्षणान येवचो कारण हेच कोंकणी शिक्षणाचें मुळावण ताका मुखावयल्या शिक्षणाचे महाद्वार उगडून दिता म्हणूनच मुळावें शिक्षण सुद्दां कोंकणींतल्यान जावचें कारण अंगणवाडीचें शिक्षण जें आसा ताका माध्यम ना अशें सरकार म्हणटा पूण तें सगळें कोंकणींतल्यान बडबड घेता चलता आनी कोंकणींतल्यान हें शिक्षण मुखार वता देखून ह्या सगळ्या घटकांचो जर विचार केलो जायत जाल्यार आजचें कोंकणी शिक्षणाचो प्रश्न सगळ्यांत मुखार येवंक जाय आनी सरकारान तो उखलून धरूंकूच जाय.
कोंकणी परिशदेच्या निमतान पयले खेपेक गोंयच्या शैक्षणीक इतिहासांत गोंयचे भाशेंतल्यान मुळावे पावंड्यार शिकोवपी धरून विद्यापीठ पावंड्यार मेरेनचे टिचर्स शिक्षक एकठांय जाल्यात आनी आमकां खात्री आसा की नव्या युगा प्रमाण शिक्षणीक जे बदल आयज जायत रावल्या नव्या युगा प्रमाण शिक्षणान जे नवे नवे प्रयोग जायत चल्ल्या त्या प्रयोगा खातीर माध्यमीक पावंड्यार शिकोवपी शिक्षक तसो मुळावे पावंड्यार शिकोवपी शिक्षक उच्च माध्यमीक पावंड्यार सगळ्या शिक्षकांचे गट एकामेका भितर आस्पावन घेवन एक संघटीत रितीन वावर करपाची गरज आसा जे वरवीं वावर वांटून वतलो आनी शिक्षणाचे नदरेन एक चैतन्यमयी वातावरण निर्माण जातलें.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000 or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and mud cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Boat above Cafe Porcelain near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. Designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection.
Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margao, Goa. Contact 9158057860 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises.
पिछले एक सप्ताह से इनके बाएं पैरों में दर्द था। अभी जब चंगाई की सभा में प्रार्थना कर रहे थे, अपने पैरों को मोड़ के इन्होंने देखा तो दर्द पूरी तरह से चला गया।
शुक्रवार 13 डिसेंबर जैस्मा बिझनेस सेंटर म्हापसा, सोमवार 14 डिसेंबर सम्राट गार्डन्स मारगांव आणि आयतार 15 डिसेंबर 2013 पॅराडाईज हॉल कुंकोळ्ळेम वेळ जावन आसा 3 ते 6 वऱ्यापर्यंत.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. GIDC is trying to acquire 40 lakh square meters land. This proposed industrial estate will pose a threat to farming and agriculture in this area. At the same time, it will create nuisance to the residents of Painganim Konkona. Hence, this acquisition process should be stopped immediately, requested the residents of Painganim during a strike at Azad Maidan. Gautam Shirodkar reports for RDX Goa.
थंय एक मळ आसा. त्या मळाचेर IDC इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट 40 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटराचें मळ, ताचे 3,80,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर आतां एक्वायर करपाक सोदतात आनी सवका पुराय 40 लाख ते एक्वायर करपाक तांचे मनां आसा. आनी त्या मळाचे संबंद, त्या मळाची भोंवताणी आमगेली सगळीं भाटां, शेतां, लोक रावता. जवळ जवळ 7 ते 8,000 लोकांची सेटलमेंट्स आसा थंय. हें मळ येतरी आमचो जो पयलींचो जो अनुभव आसा, आतां उगारणां जें कितें जालां, उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम, सैमाचो प्रॉब्लेम, मागीर हें सगळ्या दिश्टीन जें आसा. आनी दुसरी म्हळ्यार कितें आसा, आमकां विचार नासतना गव्हर्मेंट आनी सरकार म्हणटा की लोकांचे पयलीं कन्सेंट घेवन मागीर जें कितें डेव्हलपमेंट करपाचें, हें कांय करनासतना आर्बिटरी गव्हर्मेंटान एक्वायर करपाचो थरयला. हेचे पयले थंय काणकोणाक एक इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट आसा. 97 थंय प्लॉट्स आसात. तेतूंतले 10 सुद्दां प्लॉट थंय काम करनात. ते सगळी डिफंक आसा. ते सगळें रान वाडला थंय. आमचें म्हणणें आसा की तें पयलीं जाग्यार घालात आनी जें कितें तो मळ आसा त्या मळाचेर पयलें गांवचे लोक, शेतकार, काणकोणची मिरसांग पिकयताले, कामत करताले, एग्रीकल्चर आसा उशेल पिकयताले. आणि तेच करून गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन सगळे तरेचे फॅसिलिटी आसा, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आसा. शेतकारांना ते तांकां सबसिडी दितात. तांकांच फुडें काडून ते एम्प्लॉयमेंट काडपाक शकता. वेरियस त्या मळाचेर वखदांची वनस्पती आसात. तरेतरेचे लोक थंय गांवठी आसात, वैद्य आसात, ते वखदां ते घेतात थंयच्यान. हें जें कितें आसा डेव्हलपमेंट आसा तातूंतल्यान तुमी एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करूं शकतात. लोकांक, गांवच्या लोकांक एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिवं शकतात. आनी तांकां आमी विकासाची किंवा डेव्हलपमेंटाचे अगेन्स्ट ना. बट द डेव्हलपमेंट शूड बी रॅशनल अँड द बेनिफीट ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ द पैंगिणी.
Our demand is that they should stop this acquisition forthwith. Process चालू जावंक मुखारांनी वचोंक नाका. इतलो लोकांचो ओपोज आहा and we are going to come with even more numbers. And there is also a concern that is from the other side of Poingini. Loli and Mashe community, tankai tajo effect jatalo. They are also ready to join us. So we demand from our government, from the MLA, that this acquisition process to be stopped right away.
In Goa, 5,000 to 6,000 professionals have not paid service tax from October 2007 to December 2013. For such people, Central Finance Minister in his budget year 2013-14 has started a vacay scheme. Under the scheme, defaulters on their own will have to pay overdues in 2 installments without paying fines. 31st December 2013 will be the last date for the payment of overdue service tax, failing which drastic steps like arrest will be taken, warned the Tax Commission. Sanjay Munoli reports for RDX Goa.
Governmental initiative, and the trade is carrying forward, this initiative further. So we want to reach, the trade and industry of Goa through you, through your, esteemed, newspapers and magazines. However, whatever is available, we'll take it and we'll go ahead. And now I request Mr. Bandekar to read out this joint press statement. After that, we'll take questions if any from your side. And before he goes into details of this press statement, I just would like to briefly take you through VCS. What is this VCS and why it has been announced and what are its advantages? Briefly, VCS, as you all know, stands for Voluntary Compliance Disclosure Scheme. This is in tune with the current thinking of policymakers that there should be more and more voluntary compliance to the tax law rather than compulsive compliance. This is in that direction this scheme is visualized, conceptualized and announced. The Finance Minister of India has announced it in the budget 2013-14, and this was notified in mid-May, precisely 13th May 2013. The scheme covers from 2007 October to 2012 December, and whoever has got tax dues for this period and outstanding as on 1st March 2013, they can file a declaration and make the payment of tax due from them in 2 installments. First installments by December 2013 and the second one by June 2014. Once you do that, you will be giving a sigh of relief. There will be no penalty, no interest, no prosecution.
Lusophonia Welcome song was unveiled on Tuesday. The renowned musician Mukesh Khatwal have composed this song. Through this song, my aim of getting Goan song to international level is fulfilled, said Mukesh Khatwal. He even expressed his happiness as he got the opportunity to compose music for this song. Gautam Shirodkar reports for RDX Goa.
सॉंग लॉन्च झाला लुसोफोनियांक खरें खूब बरें दिसता जिवाक आनी वेरी एक्सायटींग प्रोजेक्ट आशिल्लो सो म्हयनोभर पसून रिकॉर्डिंग आनी सगळे जाग्यार घालपाक सगळें गेलें हेतून कंपोजिशन हांवें केलां अरेंजमेंट हांवें केलां प्रोग्रामींग हांवें केलां आनी खूब जाण लायव्ह म्युजिशियन हांवें खूब यूज केला मदीं आनी सगळ्यांक लायव्ह रिकॉर्ड केलां हांवें म्युजीक हें केलां आनी मिक्सिंग जें फायनल मिक्सिंग मास्टरींग तें बॉम्बे घाला एक तो मिक्सिंग इंजिनियर गेला आनी खूब हें बरें दिसता आनी एज पर द लिरिक्स जेन्ना म्हाका मेळ्ळा पळय तेन्ना लिरिक्स पळोवन हांव खूब खुशाल जालो एक्चुली कित्याक तातूंत सगळे तरेचे लँग्वेज आशिल्ले हिंदी आशिल्ले मराठी आशिल्ले कोंकणी आशिल्ले पोर्चुगीज आशिल्ले थोडे आनी खूब काम करपाक अत्यंत खूब मजा आयली म्हाका काम करपाक तेज्या वयल्यान म्हणल्यार हो एक इंटरनॅशनल लेवल एक सॉंग जावपाक जाय आशिल्लें आनी सदांच म्हाज्या मनान अशें आसतालें कितें म्हणजे गोंयचें म्युजीक कितें आसा शामेळ घुमट तासो सदांच वयर काडपाचें सगळें सो म्हजे सदांच प्रयत्न असो आसता आनी दीस वॉज अ वेरी गूड ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी फॉर मी टू संवसारा भायर पावपाचें इंडिया भायर पावपाचें एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आनी सो हांवें जी घुमटां 10 घुमटां 15 शामेळ
ताशे झांज हे सगळे यूज करून अलॉंग विथ वेस्टर्न इन्स्ट्रुमेंट हांवें यूज केले आहा आनी ज्या तरेन हांवें कंपोजिशन केलां त्या दिसांनी म्हाका दिसता आमच्या सिंगरांनी बसून खूब ताका जस्टीस दिला आनी त्या भशेन हांवें करूनय घेतला तेंचे कडेन आनी तेंच्यांनी खूब बऱ्या भशेन म्हणलां तें.
We have contributed towards the development of Vasco Police Ground, said businessman Narayan Bandodkar. He was speaking after inaugurating the Vasco Police Ground. Kiran Bodkar reports for RDX Goa.
प्रपोजल हाडले ग्राउंड पोलिसीचो आहा तो आमी करून दिवचो तेच्या नंतर हांवें रोखडेंच इन्स्पेक्शन केलें आनी रोखडेच ओके दिले हो ग्राउंड जावचो पुलीस फिट उरची खूब घाण आशिल्ली हांगा तेज्या खातीर हेल्थ कंडिशनूय पुलीस ऑपरेट करता हांगासून तांकांय काय प्रॉब्लेम फुडें जावचो ना फिटनेस वाडचे आनी वास्कोचे आमचे जे पुलीस जे आमकां संरक्षण दिता ते मोर एफिशियंट जावचे आनी बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू ऑल द पुलीस ऑफिशियल्स एंड द स्टाफ ऑफ द पुलीस एंड देयर फॅमिली. थँक्यू. गेल्या आतां कित्येक वर्सां आमी पळयता की हो ग्राउंड हांगा आज ग्राउंड जाला पूण हांगा एक खूब झाडां वाडिल्लीं हांगा रेबट जाल्ले लोक हांगा कचरो उडयताले आनी परिस्थिती अशी आशिल्ली की पांय पसून दवरपा नाशिल्ले आनी तातूंत मच्छरूय वाडटाले तांकां लोक हांगा रावपी आसा रावपाचे आसा तांकां मच्छरांचोय त्रास जातालो मलेरिया डेंग्यू तर आसतालीच आनी तें सगळें पळोवन आमी खुबदां विचार केलो की हो ग्राउंड डेवलप करचो म्हणून पूण फायनान्शियली पयशे चड लागिल्ल्या कारणान आमचे कडेन फंड्स नाशिल्ल्या कारणान तो तसोच उरलो. आमी जेन्ना हो प्रपोजल हांवें नानाबाबा कडेन व्हेलो आनी म्हाका गर्व दिसता सांगपाक की एकूच इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट असो आसा की आज वास्को भितर खंयचेंय काम बरें सांगलें जाल्यार करता ताजे कडेन प्रपोजल घाल्लेच कडेन ताणें आमचो तो एक्सेप्ट केलो.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Uncle's Kitchen, Chinese and multi-cuisine restaurant. After a 27-year service in Mumbai, now at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Goa. Also One Up Lounge Bar, serving Indian and foreign beverages with dancing lights and DJ music. Thrown open for public from 20th November at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Panji. Uncle's Kitchen and One Up Lounge Bar.
म्हाका एक सांग ती गरम आसा हय खऱ्यांनीच गरम आसा हय जाल्यार अशें कर ती च्या हाजे तकलेर वतय. एक मरे बरी जर्सी गाय आशिल्ली तिका पळयतना दिसतालें की हिका शुवर 25 लिटर तरी दूध मेळटालें म्हणून. मागीर प्रिन्साक तें आवडलें ना पळयतकीर प्रिन्स तिचे फुड्यान गेलो आनी तो बरो हात घातलो. हात घालनाका त्या गायन तेजेर अशी खड घातली आणि तिवूय बीन असल्या जाग्यार.
रोकडेच तुमच्या मुखार येता येवकार आमी गोंयकार RDX चॅनलाचेर.
सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो. कोण वावुतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण विजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
Welcome back. Congress Minority Committee should stop doing allegation on BJP government. They should not even try to provoke Goan Muslim against the state government, warned BJP Congress Minority Committee President Sheikh Jinha. Congressperson Saifullah Khan should not try to compare himself to Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, he added. Mandar Naik reports for RDX Goa.
7 तारखेक पणजे मायनॉरिटी काँग्रेस मायनॉरिटीच्या खालतीन ही मीटिंग घेतलेली तेन्ना ऑल इंडिया मायनॉरिटीचो प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर खुर्शीद शहीद येवन एक इलिगेशन बीजेपीचे करून गेलो. आता खुर्शीदाक सांगपाक सोदता की तो इलिगेशन करता की गोवा आनी गुजरात हे केन्नाच मुस्लिमाक सपोर्ट करपाचें म्हणून. हे दोनूय जे चीफ मिनिस्टर आहा तेणें ते सांगल्या की ते हिटलर म्हणून. पूण हे खुर्शीदाक सांगपाक सोदता की जो तुका धाडला काँग्रेसीन की बीजेपीचे इश्यू करपाक ते हांव तुका विचारता की तूं पयलीं खंयचो, तुमचो बॅकग्रावंड कितें. आज काँग्रेस ऑलमोस्ट काबार जाल्या. एवरी स्टेट्सान की काँग्रेस वयता थंय लुजींग जाल्ली आसा आनी तुमी येवन मायनॉरिटी मुस्लिमाच्या कानाक भटके नाका. मुस्लीम खूब आतां बीजेपी बारा येवपाक लागल्या. दुसरो महाराष्ट्राचो मिनिस्टर तो येवन काही मुस्लिमाच्या खिलाफ उलयपाक लागलो. हांव त्या महाराष्ट्राचो मिनिस्टर आसिफ नसीम खान तेकाय सांगपाक सोदता फाटल्या दिसा 8 दीस पयलीं तुज्याच वांगडाचो एक मिनिस्टराचो चलो नारायण राणे त्या चल्यान येवन हांगा कितें केलें तें पयलीं तूं पळय. तूं दुसऱ्याक बोट दाखयनाका. सरफुला आनी एक सांगता की आपूण हंगस्टाका वयतालो न्ही आनी सरफुलाचें हांव विचारपाक सोदता आज ताका पोस्ट कसलो आसा म्हणून. पळय प्रेसिडेंट म्हूण आहा, चेअरमॅन आहा, स्पोक्स पर्सन आहा, जनरल सेक्रेटरी आहा. तूं पयलीं तुजे स्टेटस पळय तूं कितें आहा तो. आज सरफुलाचो डिटेल काडला हो कितें म्हणून. हो मनोहर पर्रीकाराचेर इलिगेशन करता बीजेपीचे ते हांवें सगळें काडून हांव पार्टी घेवन रावलो मनीस. हेजो प्रूफ हो म्हणतो हेजें नांव हें आसपाक जाय सरफुलाचें. हेजें ना बिकॉज न्ही इट इज ट्रू बिकॉज तो पर्रेकाराचेर चॅलेंज करता. पर्रेकार असो पर्रेकार जो तूं आनी पर्रेकार लागता तुजे पळय तूं पार्टी घेवन रावलेलो मनीस. तुज्यो सगळ्यो केसी आहा आनी काँग्रेसीचे असलेच लिडर आसा. काँग्रेसीक असले लिडर जाय आनी काँग्रेस हेंकाच घेवन लढाई करपाक सोदता आनी काही मुस्लिमाच्या कानार घालपाक सोदता की बीजेपी कम्युनल म्हणून. भारतीय जनता पार्टी अख्ख्या गोंयांत तशें हिंदुस्थानात कळोन येयला की भारतीय जनता पार्टी आनी काँग्रेस पार्टी कितें ते म्हणून.
Lusophobia Games 2014 were launched at the spectacular ceremony at the Sports Authority Ground, Kampal in Panji. The official game torch and game songs were unveiled. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza, Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar chaired the mission of the participating countries. ACALOP members, state officials, sports person and other dignitaries attended the event. Along with them, Indian athlete legend Milkha Singh and tennis star Sania Mirza were the special invitees for the event. Sanjay Munoli reports for RDX Goa.
फिल्म आई है, करीबन कोई 300-400 लेटर रोज का आता है और हर जगह हर आदमी ये चाहता है कि हम मिल्खा सिंह को देखें। जब से उन्होंने फिल्म देखी उनके दिल के अंदर ऐसा जोश आ गया कि हम भी मिल्खा सिंह बनना चाहते हैं। मिल्खा सिंह को दौड़े हुए करीबन कोई 50-60 साल हो गए। 60 सालों के अंदर 120 करोड़ आबादी में से हम एक और मिल्खा सिंह, एक और पीटी उषा पैदा नहीं कर पाए। मुझे इस बात का दुख है। मुझे याद है कि जिस जमाने में मैं दौड़ता था, ना हिंदुस्तान के अंदर कोचेस थे, ना हिंदुस्तान के अंदर स्टेडियम थे, ना हिंदुस्तान के अंदर पैसा था, ना लेटेस्ट इक्विपमेंट था। मेरे साथ दादा ध्यानचंद भी ट्रेनिंग करते रहे हैं। आपने ध्यानचंद जी का नाम भी सुना होगा, जो हॉकी वाले हमारे। मैं समझता हूं कि हिंदुस्तान ने वो ऐसा प्लेयर पैदा किया था हॉकी का, जो दुनिया भर में आज तक ऐसा प्लेयर पैदा नहीं हुआ।
Not Sri Shakti, but I think that we all know that we are a cricketing nation. We are not a sporting nation, unfortunately. And it's all the more harder to come out in a nation like this, whether you're a man or a woman. Maybe harder when you're a woman, a little bit. So I think that I would like to say that what Lusafuna Games are going to do for India and for Goa, what Commonwealth Games did, is make people more aware of the fact that there are different sports, make people aware that how good we are in different sports other than cricket.
ACALOP committee members and chair of the mission have come down to Goa to take a glance at the work of upcoming Lusophonia Games to be held in Goa from 18 to 29 January 2014. On first day, this group inspected Pedram ground at Mapsa, later went to Fatoda Nehru Stadium and Vasco Tilak ground. This committee have expressed good satisfaction over the progress work of Lusophonia Games. Mandar Naik reports for RDX Goa.
Felicitate, congratulate all those who have done so much for the effort, for the brilliant effort that they have made for renovating this stadium.
Para nós não é importante só o jogo, são as infraestruturas.
For us, it's not only the games that is important, but also what is more important is the infrastructure.
Os jovens
the youth,
estudantes
students.
Goa vão ter a oportunidade de ter melhores instalações.
What is going to happen is that the youth, the students from Goa, they are going to have the best of infrastructure available in Goa for their use.
Felicitação a todos.
And says congratulations to each and everyone. He said the first time when he came and visited,
as taxas de recomendações e que as recomendações foram aceitas.
I said when I came for the first time, I have given them a lot of suggestions, and I'm happy that all the suggestions have been incorporated in this.
Before we wind up, here is a recap of the headlines. Court gives 12 days judicial custody to Tarun Tejpal. If all the Congress leaders come together and work, then Congress party can be elected at the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, Alex Reginald. Basic education should be in Konkani language, Vinanti Kesar Kalangutkar. And GIDC acquisition process should be stopped immediately, Panganim residents. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.